Crafting your negotiation agenda, a step-by-step guide. Hello, dear learners. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of negotiation, specifically focusing on how to create a robust negotiation agenda. Mastering this will not only enhance your English language skills but will also empower you in business settings. Let's get started. A negotiation agenda is a structured plan or outline that lists all the key points and topics to be discussed during a negotiation. Think of it as a roadmap that guides the conversation, ensuring that all essential issues are addressed, and no stone is left unturned. 1. Clarity and focus. It keeps the negotiation process clear and focused. Without an agenda, discussions can quickly become chaotic and off track. 2. Efficiency. Time is precious. An agenda helps make sure that the negotiation is efficient and that both parties value and respect each other's time. 3. Preparation. Knowing what will be discussed allows both parties to come prepared, leading to more productive and informed discussions. 1. Identify key issues. Before anything else, list down all the essential issues or topics that need to be discussed. Think of this as the skeleton of your agenda. 2. Prioritize. Not all topics are of equal importance. Rank them based on urgency or relevance. This will dictate the flow of your negotiation. 3. Allocate time slots. Assign specific amounts of time to each topic. This ensures that every issue gets the attention it deserves. 4. Include breaks. Negotiations can be long and taxing. Schedule short breaks to keep everyone fresh and engaged. 5. Feedback and flexibility. At the end of each topic or section, allocate a few minutes for questions and clarifications. Also, always be prepared to adjust your agenda if both parties agree on a change. 1. Share in advance. Send the agenda to the other party ahead of time. This not only shows professionalism but also gives them a chance to prepare or suggest modifications. 2. Stay on track. It's easy to get sidetracked. Always refer back to your agenda to ensure the discussion remains on course. 3. Be open to adjustments. While it's essential to have a plan, be open to making adjustments if needed. Negotiations are dynamic, and sometimes agendas need to adapt. Creating a negotiation agenda is more than just planning. It's about ensuring that discussions are meaningful, productive, and beneficial for all parties involved. We hope you found this video insightful. Remember, in the world of business and negotiations, preparation is key. Happy learning!